my fingers like he wanna wife me. Got another shorty, she ain't nothing like me.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
About to catch another fight. Talk about him like I'm on a fight. I just wanna have a good night. I just wanna have a good night.
Halos nakakagutom, maka-order kaya.
Mabuhay, good morning. Thank you for calling room service. This is Gian. How may I help you?
I would like to order breakfast.
Certainly, before anything else, ma'am, may I know who's on the other line and the room number, please?
I'm Shan, from room 203.
Thank you, ma'am. For the selection of our breakfast, we have American, Continental, and Filipino breakfast. Which one would you prefer, ma'am?
I want to order American breakfast.
Alright, ma'am. For your American breakfast, we have the following: ham with sunny-side-up egg and bacon with sunny-side-up egg. Which one would you prefer?
Ham with sunny side up egg.
Which one would you prefer in your bread, ma'am? Butter or mayonnaise?
Mayonnaise.
And for your fresh fruit, we have orange, mango, and apple. What would you prefer?
Mango.
How about for your juice? We have orange, pineapple juice, iced tea. What would you prefer?
Iced tea.
Alright, ma'am. Would you like to have a brewed coffee?
Yes, please.
Ma'am, you have already a complete set of American breakfast. Is there anything else? May I repeat your order, ma'am? You have ordered ham with sunny side up, bread with mayonnaise, mango fruit, iced tea, and brewed coffee with creamer and sugar. Did I take it all correct, ma'am?
Yes, that's all correct.
May I ask how many people your order is for?
Good for one person.
I'll take note. How would you like to settle your bill? Cash, credit card, or card? Or charge to your room?
I'll settle in cash.
Your bill is 350 pesos. May I know how much your cash for me to bring your change?
I have 500 pesos bill.
Alright, ma'am. Your order will be served at room 203 after 30 minutes. Feel free to call the room service if you have any additional order. Thank you. Thank you for calling and have a nice day.
Good morning, Chef. We ordered for room 203, one ham with sun-side up egg, butter, mango, and iced tea. That's all. Thank you.
Ma'am, room service. Mabuhay. Good morning, ma'am. I'm Rookie, and here is your room service order. May I come in?
Yes, you may come in.
Excuse me, ma'am. Where would you like to set up your food, ma'am? Shall I leave it on a tray or you want to be set up in the table?
On the table.
The other order will be follow-up.
Okay.
Ma'am, may I present your order? This is ham with sunny side up egg and bread. This is mango. This is iced tea. This is brew coffee. If you're ready to eat, shall I serve your food? Shall I serve your coffee or tea? Would you like me to open the curtain or brighten up the room? Is there anything else, ma'am? Ma'am, may I present your bill now?
Yes, please.
May I come in?
Yes, you may come in.
Excuse me, ma'am. Here is your bill. Ma'am, I received 500. Here is your change, ma'am. Kindly sign here in the receipt. Do you have other requests, ma'am?
None at the moment. Thank you. I have something for you.
Thank you for your thoughtfulness, ma'am, but we don't accept tips. If you need any further assistance, just dial 1 on the telephone. And please inform us what time should we get the train. Thank you very much, ma'am.